So it's currently 5 in the morning. Just got done taking a shower. For some reason I made tea. I don't know why I was just craving tea today. I haven't drunk it in a while, but it's time to start the day. This is the first time I've ever seen you do the dishes. Oh, what was that?
I'm not doing it.
See, he's not trying to do it anymore.
He wasn't going to. He said I have to. See, it's like 3 forks in here. It's like you guys don't even wash your stuff. What?
Only old people drink tomato
juice
juice like that.
Juice out for nothing.
Why?
Because this one tastes something. I think I just washed my teeth, that's why. Bon appetit.
He was zooming. But why didn't you close the gate?
We don't know. Why don't you let the babies in first?
Cause I'm a real what? Let he finish it.
Oh,
I'm a real what?
We called you an idiot.
I don't think I can get in this way.
Chipo, didn't I teach you your lesson yesterday for staring at people?
And now it's being, Tino, just use that for vlogging, and there you go.
I was hoping my phone case was in
dog
here.
Sneezed. Which one? You have like 8 the
My
dogs
waterproof one. I can't find it.
Out and took his key off. Turned the car off, took the keys off. And I went back to my car. And he was just looking at me in shock.
Oh,
there were 2 guys in that van, and in that car I was by myself.
That's hilarious.
Which guy?
The yellow.
My feet are hurt.
There's water there. Watch.
I see.
It looks like this.
Yeah, don't start copying other people's schools.
No, I'm not copying it. I'm just saying.
You're copying.
Like this.
You're copying.
No, I'm not.
Copying.
That's my own vision. That I'm
Yeah. Let's see. Cheapo. keep up.
What?
So when I go to college, are you gonna miss me?
No.
Why?
Why should I?
Because
I get my own room.
no, when I leave, I'm taking my adapter with me. Let's just get this clear.
I don't want to see you ever.
No. We can get this clear. I am coming back at any time.
No,
because
that's my house. You can't just come anytime.
if you guys get to just
leave sometime, you know.
Yeah, no, but I'm saying I can come back and like do laundry and stuff like that here.
You're longer here.
Why? It costs money.
Oh,
Just watch. You guys think I don't know how to save money? I'm gonna be the most nitpicky person you ever meet when I come back.
no,
Let's see. So how is this phone thing gonna work? Are we just gonna give him today or?
I will have to go find the phone on my pocket. There's a plan that I saw on the advertisement where 4 of us can have a phone for almost like $60 a month.
Only $60.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Actually, $30.
This thing.
$30.
A dove ndihmojeti? Të admisa. Si ka atjerë?
And I'm officially in college. My life is over. Yurt.
Hot boxing in the whip. I don't even smoke, but we drop tops and let it rip. Pull up if it smoke, put them big rocks up in her ear. Chandelier, can you hear? Who that?